Hello guys, welcome to my another video. So in this video I'll show you how we can set the Jframe size according to the full screen size. So in the previous video I'll show you how we can resize the images. So I'll just open that project. So here we have, by default the Jframe is open into a limited size, which we can add it from the properties of it. If we just search in the property, that we'll just have a size option, maximum size. Yeah, so it is not set. So to set it according to your screen, you just have to move to the source code, and inside the source code you will just need to use the dimensions property of the Java, which is like I'll have to define a dimension. Yeah, it's a dimension class, Java AWT dimension, and I'll use the variable screen dimension to get default to get screen size. Okay, after that, inside the framework init components feature, we will use the this keyword, which will refer to this particular Jframe, and we will use the method set size, and here we will pass the first as screen dimension dot width, and second screen dimension dot height. And after that, if I run this, you can clearly see it occupies my whole screen, and it's actually gets the size of the screens and fit the Jframe according to it. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for more updates. Thank you so much.